Goa, a land of beautiful beaches, deep blue sea, lush coconut greeneries where you can refresh yourself, get a tattoo, get a chilled drink, and good food. Talking about food, if you are a foodie and you're in Goa, you cannot miss this Goanese delicacy. So stay tuned to this video till the end.
So this is Infanteria, where we're going to have our breakfast. It serves all kind of continental and Goanese food. So let's go in and check it out. So guys, this is our breakfast. We ordered 3 eggs, bacon, omelets with bread, butter.
Wow, just look at the bacon peeping. It was yummy.
Kingfish, red snapper, white snapper, lemon fish, pomfret, tiger prawns, king prawns.
वाओ, ये भैया ने सारा फिश के वैरायटी ला दिए हैं. अभी हमको चूज करके बताना है कि क्या खाना है.
Chili prawns.
So this is king prawn chili fish. That's what we ordered now. The size of the prawn is pretty big. Looks delicious.
Next, we ordered prawn thali for lunch, and it was authentic Goanese style. We got rice, prawn rava fry, and prawn coconut curry. It was yum. Here comes the butter garlic king crab with salted veggies. It was so delicious. The butter garlic sauce was absolutely mouth-watering, and the crab was really very soft. It's an absolute treat for non-veg lovers. Next, we had this delicious fish platter at Brito's. It had squids, baked crab, mussels in white wine, grilled fish, and prawns dipped in mayo. It was amazing.
Also, do try the tandoori crab of Brito's. You will love it. People visiting North Goa and staying near Kalangutte beach, please do try the Tibetan restaurant named Tibet. This place makes amazing pork juicy momos. The momos were extremely soft and juicy. Also, do try the chow chow rice as they call it. It is a very healthy dish and it contains varieties of veggies and chicken.
There is this very famous wine shop just few meters away from the Kalangutte beach. Well, I was not supposed to shoot over here, hence I'm not going to tell you the name of the shop. But of course, people who have been to Goa would recognize this place. I have not seen such a huge variety of drinks in one place at a time in my entire life. It was a huge collections of varieties of wines, vodkas, tequilas, beer, whiskey, means name it and you can get it over here. I sneaked inside and somehow managed it with my mobile, though I know maybe I'm not supposed to do it. But this is something I couldn't resist myself from filming. Hope you would enjoy it.
Guys, we are heading towards Soza Lobo. That's a very famous Goan restaurant where we are supposed to get authentic Goan food. The Soza Lobo, guys, bang on the Kalangutte beach.
Best thing about Soza Lobo is it just overlooks the sea and you would love the scenery while eating.
Menu. So I'm going to just run you through the menu quickly. Just have a look. So this is the menu and these are the prices for non-veg lovers.
Honestly, Goa is costly in terms of lodging and food, but if you want to have an idea of the type of food you're going to get and the price, here it is right in front of you. So before coming, you can just have a look and see what you would like to have and the approximate budget that you're going to be spending in Goa, because once in Goa you just forget to lose track of those hard-earned money. Finally, the wait was over and the butter garlic calamari was on our table, served hot and absolutely ready for snacking.
These are the calamaris or the squids, and this is dipped in butter garlic sauce.
So it looks somewhat like this, the squids, those who have not tasted. It tastes a bit rubbery and it will not taste much different than prawns. If you love prawns, I'm sure that you would love this. Good. If you are a prawn lover, you would love this. Try it out. I ordered a strawberry milkshake. This is really amazing. Very thick, creamy. The flavors are absolutely awesome. I really like this. On a hot afternoon, you should try this.
So guys, this is the chori sausage in masala, and they have given it with the French fries. So Goan bread poi with chicken kafrial, and as I was saying that this is a thick green creamy sauce served with some salads.
Chicken kafrial is a very flavorful green spiced marinated chicken, and the spice is known as the kafrial masala. It is very creamy and tangy in flavor, and it tasted great with the Goanese poi. Do try it when you are in Goa. These are authentic Goanese food which you cannot miss out on. So guys, hope you have liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel from Ba. See you next time. Bye.